Welcome back to North Bellmore 2. The last time you folks were here, this was simply a hole in the ground. We were just getting ready to pour the foundation, and today we are 100% complete. This is one of the fastest builds we've ever gone from foundation to completion. We actually just got the CO today. We lined up a buyer during construction. She was able to put all her finishing touches on the design, and today I'm gonna take you inside to show you the beautiful choices that she made, the level of finish that we provide, and all of the things that you've come to expect from a pinnacle build. Right now, you're about 60 feet away from me, and that was one of the main focuses of the layout of this house, to have that open sight line from the front door straight to the backyard. And here we have our 2-story entry foyer. Our buyer wanted to one day put a pool in the backyard, and it worked out so nicely that you'll be able to walk in through your front door one day and be able to see straight back to your pool. But right through this center hall, you've got a living room, a dining room, and when this house is a little bit deeper than it is wider, we're not able to get everything around this center hall. Rather, we lined everything up and got one of our signature features here, a guest suite with a large walk-in closet, a little built-in for the kids. And one of the standard features of all our bedrooms, I mentioned this a few times before, is hi-hats in every bedroom, closet systems in every closet, and pre-wiring for TV and internet in every single living space, bedroom, kitchen, family room, etc. You can use it for internet, you can use it for TV, and we even ran some wires outside for security cameras. Now, of course, when you have a bedroom on the first floor, you've got to have a full bath. And this full bath is beautiful. It's got a custom tiled walk-in shower, vanity, Kohler fixtures. We've got a coat closet right here. And right here in the back of the house is our beautiful open concept kitchen and family room. The family room has a Regency P36 fireplace, made in America, top quality fireplace. You can add your finishing touches like brick panels in the background. We already included the optional blower motor, so whatever heat is created inside the unit will automatically push out into this room once we reach temperature. Your TV and internet is pre-wired. Excuse us, we have a few paint touch-ups remaining, but right through this way, we have this beautiful open concept kitchen, island. We have a little space for your everything drawer in the kitchen right there. KitchenAid appliances, our buyer picked all these appliances. She picked the backsplash. She insisted on having the cooktop instead of a freestanding range, so we were able to make some changes and order another cabinet to make that happen. But I'm really happy with the way everything came out. And come this way, come zoom in a little bit. Check out this little detail. All throughout the house, we have these beautiful floor grills where they're integrated into the wood floor, and our client's able to pick the stain color and basically make those disappear. I'm a big fan of that little detail. A little hack for all of you folks, you can go to Floor & Decor and you can buy that grill for a lot less than a wood supply store, and the finished look is simply not comparable to a regular metal cover. Now, as we make our way through this little space, this is our butler's pantry, and definitely for me, a place where I would be putting a coffee bar. We've got floor-to-ceiling pantries with drawers. We've got a built-in beverage cooler, also made by KitchenAid. And this space, when you're entertaining between the kitchen and the dining room, could serve as a wonderful place to put out some appetizers, put out some food, and give you a little bit of a transition from the kitchen into your formal dining space. As we make our way to the second floor, I'm sure you all notice once again how wide and expansive this hallway is. And that's the difference between 3,000 and 3,500 square feet. A lot of the homes that we build are somewhere around 3,000 square feet, but we went a little bit bigger over here, and that helps us to do amazing things, like check out this bonus closet. Of course, all our closets have lights. You've got 2 linen closets, and we try to check all the boxes. Solid doors for the bedrooms and bathrooms, spray foam insulation in the attic. I think we have like 100 hi-hats in this house, and this hall really just kind of centers around these bedrooms and living spaces. You've got a laundry over here, the biggest of the 4 bedrooms up here, obviously excluding the master. Pella windows, 2x6 frame, crown moldings, hi-hats, center fixture, and all those center fixtures are simply temporary. They have the heavy-duty bar boxes, so you'll definitely be able to install a chandelier or ceiling fan whenever you're ready. And then we've got 2 more bedrooms, both equally sized, both with large closets. And now let's get to the best part of the house, this master suite. This master suite is over 600 square feet with 3 full-size egress windows for lots of natural light and a very sensible layout. This would be our bed wall. Everything's pre-wired over there. Hi-hats, center light fixture once again. And I love this long hallway which leads to 2 walk-in closets. And generally speaking, we provide a shelf and pole made of melamine in all the closets, full length shelving in the pantry and linen closets. But when it comes to a master closet, this is where you really gotta get into that custom feel. You really wanna put in what you want, how your lifestyle is, and these two closets are simply amazing. Got two fully equipped closets with drawers, shelves, and double and single hanging spaces. And last but not least is this amazing master bath. We've got a lot of nice features like this double vanity, Kohler fixtures, soaking tub. I really like the way this Pentel quartz countertop ties in with the wood look tile porcelain on the floor and the subway tile on the wall. This penny round inlaid detail ties in with the penny round shower floor. And let's stop for 1 second and talk about showers for a second. There are so many things that could go wrong with a tiled shower, leading to premature wear and leaking sometimes as soon as buyers move in. So what we do is we make sure to do a pre-pitched mud underneath the liner, then we do a liner, we install our tile, but before doing so, we make sure that everything is covered in Mapei Aqua Defense. It's a membrane product that you roll on. We do 2 coats and we tape all the seams. And what that does is it basically makes the shower ready to shower in before you even put in tile. And once we tie it all together with these nice features like the Kohler hand shower and rain head shower, it looks beautiful and it's clean, it's timeless, it's modern and elegant. And man, I wish I could call this my master bathroom. Over the next few days, we're gonna knock out some details like install a chandelier for our buyer and finish just those little touch-ups in those nooks and crannies. You might have caught a few of them, but we still have to bring the painter back. We still have to bring the carpenter back one more time for those small details. We're even gonna bring a cleaning crew in here. It probably looks immaculate to you guys, but one more time, we're gonna bring a cleaning crew back in here to get those bathrooms perfect. Something that we really pride ourselves in is giving you that experience from day one when you move into the house, that you start enjoying everything about your house. And maybe one day in the future, this client will bring us back to finish the basement. But for now, check out this backyard. This is how we deliver every single home. PVC fence, sprinklers, sod, a minimum of a 300 square foot patio, cameras, outdoor lighting. There's nothing for you to do here. You just gotta move in, throw your furniture down, and start enjoying your brand new pinnacle build. The builder-buyer relationship can get contentious. This is especially true at the finish line when you're navigating those little tedious punch list items. But we haven't had any such problems here, and our buyer would be happy to sing our praises. We have a ton of references from buyers just like the one from this house, and you can have a similar experience. We have 3 builds coming up, one in Hicksville with Bethpage Schools, one in North Syosset, and one in Plainview. We're just finishing up the permitting process, and in 2021, we can have you living in a house just like this one where you pick all of the finishing details. But I wanted to thank all of you for watching this tour. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and check me out on Instagram. I've got a ton of content like this coming out every single day. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night, everyone.